I'll call you around 1.
Yeah. Sanjeev ji, we can't hear you. We can't hear you at all.
Unmute. Okay. Great. Great. Good. So, so what I was saying is that for the purpose of the perpetuation of this manifested universe, the good and evil is required. The opposites are required. I want to just give a minute to Meenal to connect.
It's like a game of dice.
Right.
आप पासा फेंकते हो, किसी में 6 आता है, किसी में 4 आता है, किसी में 2 आता है, आप नहीं डिसाइड कर सकते.
Right, right. No, at one level that is true. That is true. But there are some, if we look at this space that we are, that I am, that you are.
Yeah.
And that quality.
You can evolve.
Huh?
One can evolve. I am the only person who can evolve.
Who can?
I can't change others. Evolve.
No, that is
You
true
can
also.
change.
No, but that's true, but I'm not saying that. What I'm saying is that there are some inherent qualities or some, even though ultimately जिसका कोई गुण नहीं है, we are speaking about that which is formless and निर्गुण है. फिर भी अगर हम देखने जाए कि इसके क्या गुण है, so in the manifested form there is good and evil and both are divine. See that it's not that evil is not God and good is made of God. The inherent nature of good and evil, if you deeply look, it's all part of the experience of I am and includes all shapes, all colors, all sizes and all qualities, including good and evil. So at one level, ये good and evil वाला game चल रहा है, okay? But if you try to look beyond that and see what is the inherent quality of that I that you experience yourself to be, you find that it is peaceful. You find that it is inherently loving. You find that it is inherently accepting of all things and all shapes. It accepts the good, it accepts the evil. So जहां जहां ये extreme polarization हो जाता है ना, you know that there is something off as far as the the inherent qualities of divine are concerned. So whether it's religion and you become a extremist on one religion or you become an extremist on the other, the more extreme you become and the more different you experience yourself to be, the more further away you are from divine and the further away from who your true nature is and who you truly are and from the truth as far as we can tell. Which is again, limited by our intelligence, limited by our, contract itself that you and I are fine. But this is as far as we can take it in this form. And it becomes our job, our duty, our sadhana to go as far as we can. वहां तक तो चलते हैं कम से कम. हमें पता है कि हम, we are not in a, we have our limitations. But at least go as far as you can. See what those limits are. And when I say as far as we can, I'm talking about being as loving as divine, being as open as divine, as accepting of all opinions as divine, being as okay with people being however they are. So we need to still come from that okayness. So even though somebody is addicted to social media, we don't say that this guy is a fool or an extremist or a crazy person. You are in love and acceptance and okayness with even that person, or even the extreme, religious fanatic, or, even the terrorist, I would say. are you able to accept and embrace that this person is so out of touch with their true nature that they would go to the point of killing themselves or other people to make their brand of the truth be known or be established? Are you able to accept that somebody can go that far? And that in reality, it is an extreme search of truth. It is an extreme form of that yearning for reality where you're willing to put your life on the line. Can you see that aspect of a terrorist and embrace that person? And say, you know, there is another way to find what you are also seeking. Because it would be foolish to think that the terrorists are fools. It would be foolish to think that the terrorists have no understanding of reality. Or
The
that
reality is
or that they're,
said.
the worst thing is, or to think that they're inherently evil. How is that possible in the world or a universe that is made up of divine truth and divine love? How is it possible that somebody can be inherently evil? It just doesn't connect with what our own experience of that true self is. Go ahead, Savita ji.
It's a programming.
Sorry?
They've been when a child is born,
When a
कोई opinions लेकर नहीं आता है.
यहाँ बहुत जोरों की बारिश चल रही है, थोड़ा लाउडर.
When a child is born, वो कोई opinions लेकर नहीं आता है, चाहे वो terrorist के घर में पैदा हो.
Of course.
Opinions लेकर नहीं आता है.
Of course.
Conditioning. देखो, दो एस्पेक्ट्स हैं. अगर हम सोल के एंगल से देखें तो हो सकता है कि उसकी अपनी कोई कमिटमेंट्स होंगी कि उसको वहां पैदा होना पड़ा या उसने चुना. अगर हम उसको इंसानी रूप से देखें तो कोई किसी भी बंदे का ब्रेन वॉश कैसे किया जाता है, या कोई अगर हिंदू फैमिली में पैदा हुआ है वो हिंदू बन जाता है, कोई मुस्लिम फैमिली में पैदा हुआ है वो मुस्लिम बन जाता है, जो क्रिश्चियन फैमिली में, जो फ्रांस में पैदा हुआ है वो फ्रेंच बोलने लग जाता है, जो यूएस में पैदा हुआ है वो अपने आप को वेरी सुपीरियर टू द वर्ल्ड समझने लग जाता है. Why is that? Because ये हमारी ना बेसिक बॉडी में जो ब्रेन है ना, या बॉडी में ब्रेन है, एक माइंड है, माइंड को प्रोग्राम किया जाता है.
Of course.
It absorbs.
Of course.
It absorbs everything. The parents, whatever is happening around anybody. तो जो टेररिस्ट बना है उसका भी ब्रेन वॉश ऐसे कि जन्नत में हुरें मिलेंगी, और जिनको दो वक्त का खाना नहीं टाइम से मिलता है, उनके लिए तो वो बहुत बड़ी चीज है कि हाँ वहां खाने को मिलेगा. वो लालच दी जाती है.
Correct.
There are so many things.
There's so many
things.
Yeah.
I'm not saying कि टेररिस्ट बनना चाहिए. I don't know what I'm saying, but what I'm trying to say is...
No. So what you're getting it is that there is justification and there is a
allowance.
There is a programming.
And no judgment.
And
no judgment because babies, when they're born, they cannot decide unki programming kaise hogi.
No, but Savita ji, let me offer you, what you're saying is absolutely true, but let me offer you one more perhaps a deeper perspective, because I'm sure you may find some terrorist who did not get brainwashed, who did not get programmed. Somehow he just feels that way and feels that, this is wrong, whatever. So what I'm saying is, if we want to operate...
That's his truth. He's being true to himself. Maybe.
Sorry?
Maybe that person is being true to themselves.
Exactly, but so we accept them. What you are suggesting is we find reasons to accept them. That अच्छा इसका programming हो गया, इसका ऐसा ही बचपना था, या इसको manipulate किया गया, इसको brainwash किया गया, उसको ये video दिखाए गए, or whatever. And it's true also, ये होता है. But if you're saying that is a reason to accept them or reason to understand them, then what is it?
वो एग्जाम्पल टेररिस्ट का चल रहा था, इसलिए मैंने वो
नहीं, but what
किया.
about that? What about that?
What I am trying to say is anybody on any kind of a spiritual path goes
एक मिनट,
somewhere
मंगाओ नहीं.
only when allowance.
I can't hear a thing. Yeah, 5 minutes. Yeah.
Only when allowance comes in. Only when you start including everything as a part of the entire picture.
Correct.
And then change,
Correct.
then
Correct.
do your part.
Correct. So, no, so the understanding that I am getting these days and what I am talking to people about is what is known as the direct path. Okay. So ये direct path वाला जो understanding है, वो ये है कि this deeper understanding comes automatically when you understand the quality of your true self. मेरे को एक headphone देना रघु जल्दी. Is acceptance and is okayness and is embracing all forms of everything is your true nature. That's who you really are. Just like space को कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, उसमें एक सोफा रख दो या उसको एक आर्ट पीस रख दो या उसमें कचरा फेंक दो या जो भी फेंक दो, space just accepts it. Space
Yes.
just allows it. तो ये जब हमें समझ में आ जाता है, then we directly go into that way of operating in the world where the terrorist is as acceptable to you as a saint.
और जहाँ जो मुझे समझ में आता है इसी बात पे आगे बढ़ाते हुए कि जहाँ आपको कोई भी चीज एक्सेप्टेबल नहीं है और आप चाहते हो कि वो आपके तरीके से हो, या वन थिंग दैट दिस इज नॉट द राइट वे, then that is the time when you go within yourself to see कि ये judgment कहाँ से आ रही है, क्या है यहाँ पे, क्या प्रोग्रामिंग है कि आपको कोई चीज अच्छी लग रही है और कोई चीज अच्छी नहीं लग रही है.
Absolutely, that is one step, and I encourage you to take that step. If we can take one more thing away from what we are talking about today, which is, repeat what you just said.
Once you've experienced that state of allowance and you find something that is an irritant, something, somebody, some behavior, some stereotype, that is not acceptable, कहीं अंदर से एक बार आता कि नहीं ये नहीं.
Okay.
That is the time.
Go ahead.
That is the time when you go back to your own self and see कि ये irritant कहाँ से आ रहा है. It is a part of programming, no doubt, because as you said, space.
Right.
Space को कुछ नहीं फर्क पड़ता है.
No, but I would encourage you to, 1 second, Meenal. I would encourage you to ask yourself one more question at that point where you find yourself making a judgment and wishing the universe to move in a particular direction, meaning somebody changes or some event changes or some object changes. Ask yourself the question, on whose behalf is this wish coming from? On whose behalf are you?
Coming from my small self, no? That is coming
No, not necessarily, but not always. Maybe it is. Look, let's say if I ask myself the question, why do I care about children becoming addicted to social media? It is very clear to me that it is coming from.
It's coming from
It is coming from a higher space. It is not coming from a judgment or my opinion or from experience. It is coming simply from a desire to create a more loving world. So that you have to ask yourself. So you cannot just stop arbitrarily. कि मैं judge कर रहा हूँ, बंद कर दो. नहीं, you're not judging necessarily. If you're coming from that true oneself, which is the kid also, so where is that? Who is judging whom? There is no judgment. The kid is also that. I'm also that. The social media is also that. So there is no question of judgment because you're operating in the space of oneness. There is nobody to judge and there is nobody to be judged. तो वो अलग बात है. Sorry, हाँ, go ahead. Great understanding because of this conversation. हाँ, Meenal, what were you saying?
नहीं, just that mind है तो सब कुछ है. When you seize the mind or take out the mind from, then you know that no acceptance, all pervasiveness, everything comes naturally.
Correct.
So
Correct.
you know, negate intellect, mind, desire. So whatever associated with that, and you know, it's very fast that you know, yes.
Right.
Then you know everything is fine.
Correct. And right. And the fastest way to get there is to see who you really are. To always come back to look within and look at myself and say, who is the one that is experiencing whatever I'm experiencing? What is that entity? What is that space? And what are the qualities of that space? And then you are there.
Absolutely.
And you don't have to always go through the slow process of dropping belief, dropping opinion, dropping intelligence. वो सब करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Direct वहाँ पहुँच जाते हैं. That is why it's called the direct path. कि you just ask yourself, who is this entity that is having this thought or this opinion or this judgment? Who is that? And what is that like? And how can I bring the understanding of that to this particular conversation or to this situation or this person or this? And then it's automatic. It's very easy and it just happens. Great. Wonderful. Thank you.